Hello, today we will be conducting a demonstration in order to determine whether or not objects float the same in fresh water as they do in salt water. Another way you might think of this is flotation the same in a lake as it is in an ocean? In order to conduct this demonstration, you will need 2 eggs of similar sizes, 2 cups filled with the exact same amounts of water, and 5 tablespoons of table salt. I would now like you to formulate a hypothesis to determine what you think will happen in regards to this demonstration. What will happen when I drop each egg into the separate cups of water? I would like you to use the format, I think blank will happen because blank. You may now pause the video and take a few seconds to make your predictions. Okay, let's begin the demonstration. I will go ahead and set 1 glass of water off to the side and place 1 in front of me, which I will be filling with the 5 tablespoons of salt. Now keep in mind your measurements don't need to be exact. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I'm now going to stir the salt into the water until I no longer feel any lumps. And once it's good and combined, I'm going to take 1 of my eggs, gently crack it on the side of the cup, and let it slowly slip into the water. Okay, I will now take my cup of salt water, set it off to the side, and complete the same procedures with the freshwater glass. Lightly crack and gently slip. What do you notice about the 2 glasses? What happened to the egg in the glass of salt water, and what happened to the egg in the glass of fresh water? As you can clearly see, the egg in the salt water is floating, whereas the egg in the fresh water has sunk. Why do you think this is? I will now offer you a 24/7 explanation as to why the egg in the salt water floats and the egg in the fresh water sinks. The egg sinks in fresh water but floats in salt water. Although we use the same amount of water in each cup, the salt water weighs more. The salt adds extra stuff to the water, creating a greater density. The denser water is able to hold up the weight of the egg, whereas the fresh water doesn't have enough stuff to support the same weight. Therefore, things float better in salt water than in fresh water because salt makes things heavier. And now for my 7-word summary. Salt water creates density that supports objects. Thanks for watching.